What do we got here, guys? Some old vintage ammo. We'll start in the back with 22s. Some Mohawk 22 high speed from Remington. Clean bore primers, guys. These are priming. So I think there's some mixed ones in there. That one's, I think it's CTI, but just some old lead tip 22s. Next box, guys. Everybody remembers these ones. Old CCIs. I just remember growing up and shooting one of these kind of 22s when I was a kid. Got these from my brother-in-law. He dropped all this stuff off. It was in a box, a small little box, and in another box. He was cleaning out my wife's uncle's place, cleaning out the shed, and these were just randomly tossed in a box, a small little box in the shed. So he knew I was a hunter and a shooter, and brought these over for me to have. So all these will get put away in my personal collection. 22s might get used, but the rest, all of them will just get put away into a personal collection. These shotgun shells, so there's a mix of a little bit of everything in here, guys. Four, 5-shot Micro Super X Winchesters, guys. If anyone knows the date on these, let me know. I can't remember what old these are. I've got some modern shells are identical to this. I'm surprised how good and cheap they are. And again, guys, those are 20 gauges. Here's the bigger brothers. Same shell, same color. Go ahead and zoom in, guys, for you guys. Those are 12 gauge. These two might still be able to be used, but they're pretty cool old shells. Here you go, guys. These are really old. And tail guys has a 16 gauge. Pre-M14 from a sec shot. There's 16 guys on Federal. It's a really old Remington, guys. Remington Express. And there's 16 Peterson. And there's 16. Hey, Ace. That's a cool one. Remington UPMC, short shot, 2012, low gauge. I'm not sure that we state the sheet or not, guys. I mean, it's just a cool shell to put away. There you go, guys. You can see the difference. Here's a 16. Here's a modern day 20. Here's a 12 gauge modern. Here is a 12 gauge. But just for the comparison, 16, 20, 12. Bigger brother. That is an 8 gauge. I got a full video on this one. If you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and put it into the description of this video for you guys to look at. But this one is a 2-point. Pretty sure it was reloaded by Remington also. This came out of the same collection, guys, as those ones I found. There's the 16s, guys. Gauges, 12s, old vintage 12, some CCI 22s, some older ones, older packaging, and old Monarch high speeds, 22 long rifles. One more limps that oldie, the old 8 gauge. As always, guys, thanks for coming along with this short video. We'll catch you either hanging, reloading, or cooking. And we'll catch you around. As always, stay safe. Buy local. Love everyone.